So yeah, I'm in my living room and I'm watching Casey Neistat vlog, I should say. He's one of my favorite YouTubers by far. And next it was Peter McCannon, and next is Donna Did It. I don't know, but yeah, Donna Did It. We talk a lot, but I never meet him in person. He's a pretty cool dude. If you're watching this video, I'm sorry, bro. Yeah, in my living room watching the Casey Neistat video, and I'm so excited because it's only 3 videos so far. I'm on my 3rd one now. No, I'm on the 1st one right now because I watched the newest one, which is a 3rd one, and then I'm going back to the 1st one that he made September 11, 2020. Yeah, pretty good vlog. And I just ate watermelon, all finished. I'm sorry, pan, but it was so good. Yeah. And to get this look for my YouTube channel, this bright, beautiful look with the light in the background, but right now it's overexposed, I think. Yeah. And when I put the ND filter on it, it's so dark. And I tried to open it up a little bit, but it's kind of dark. I don't know. Yeah, maybe I should just do that. No ND filter. The back is all blown out. I know. But this is what I'm gonna go with for now. Let's turn it up a little. Looks a little bit better. Keep it as that. No ND filter. I don't want to use an LD filter, man. Like seriously. Why am I even using an ND filter? So yeah, now I'm back in picture profile 10. Looks pretty good, right? I kind of set it my way. Then exported, done, upload to YouTube. This is why will you get off? Are you serious? Okay. Bright, so that's why I have the ND filter on to like don't make the place too bright. Anyway, quick update. Drinking tea as always. This one have a lot of leaf in it. I broke my Joan this morning. Really? Well, I didn't do it on purpose because I was just trying to plug in the iPhone cable in the controller, but iPhone cable got hooked onto the camera part and ripped the ribbon. So I'm gonna have to like get this replaced. And yeah, I do have a headphones in my ear. I tied it up with a headphone. This is what I broke. This thing right here. This ribbon thing, this flex cable. It's kind of splitting. It's like, if you look at the side, it's kind of split open. So the ribbon is like supposed to be like together, like this, but it open up like this. Yeah, that's how I can explain it. Okay, there it is. If you guys can see it. You see that little split right here, like right here? It's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be like straight. So yeah, I have to get that replaced because if the drone flies, don't get me wrong, it flies great. Once it once you turn it on, you're not gonna see anything, and the screen is gonna like show purple. Camera error, yeah. So if you guys having camera error for your drone, for the DJI, this is the Phantom 4. And you're getting problems like camera error. That's basically the problem. By the ribbon. Yep. So I'm just gonna leave it here. I check on eBay. So eBay have the ND, not the ND filter. What I'm talking about. eBay have the ribbon and it's selling for like $12.59. Well, $12.99. You're gonna have to do it yourself. So yeah, whatever. Good. They have it. So I'm just gonna order one and replace it and fix it myself. Turn it inside. The place is really too dark. Let's brighten it up a little bit. But yeah, that's it. Whatever. So back to my leaf. I have to separate the good ones from the bad ones. And it's gonna be a pain. It's a little bit too much. and I don't want to do it, but I have to do it. Boy, it's gonna be a long day. Whatever. Let's just get down to it. Okay, so quick update. I broke my drone.